Hello once again and welcome to my YouTube channel. Chris here. I'm glad to see you here again, and today I'm going to show you how to increase the CPM on your videos, and you can still make a lot of money on few views get on your videos. I know it's hard when you create good content and then don't go viral as you expected, and it hurts even more when you see the revenue is still low too. You should admit that you are satisfied and continue to work until your video are upfront and suggested even more. You can still make money on less than 100 views by applying some strategies and information I'm going to share in this video on how to increase the CPM rating. Okay, I'm going to take a short tour on my YouTube channel. As you can see, I don't have a lot of views, but you'll be amazed when it comes to the earnings I make on this video. And then this strategy is working still in 2021, and you can, as the time of watching this video, apply the same strategy to get the CPM rate as mine. Okay, as you can see my video, I have a video like it has like 40 or only 40 views. I can go on analytics and you can say click analytics, and then you can see now I have made like $0.59 on only 34 views, and this is now somehow tricky on how I can make that amount of cash without having even 100 views. And when you click on the revenue tab, you can see that the CPM is up to $85, and as well as the RPM is up, because those metrics they are somehow related, and you can see on other videos on how to calculate the earnings using the RPM and CPM. Okay, going back, I can check for the other videos on my YouTube channel. Again, my YouTube channel is still growing and I don't have a lot of views, and you can see this now which has like 137 views. Let me click on analytics and you can see now how it's earning, and now you can see now it's about 136 views. It's now and $3.72, and when you click on the revenue tab, you can see now the CPM is also about 57 and the RPM is 27.56. okay, this is cool. Without going too far, let me reveal the secrets. And the first secret you have to know is now to know your audience, because as long as you create the contents and they remain unsearchable or unviewed, you will suffer by getting a lot of CPM, as the advertisers are not targeting your videos. When advertisers find your video interesting, they start pressing ads in different countries. For example, if I create a video and I'm in US and then it go viral, the advertiser from Canada, from Brazil, from Bulgaria, from Romania, from Norway are advertising on my video. Of course, they pay a lot of cash on pressing the ads on my video, and then the CPM rating is now up somehow. Okay, tip number 2 I can share with you is now to know how to make your videos quality. For example, if you create the videos and you use the pronunciation which the AI doesn't understand, you are likely to suffer. The videos are not going viral. When you create the video and I can take an example on some videos here. There are videos I created and the AI is able to read what I was saying, and this, when you use proper pronunciation, the AI will detect and to say, oh, what attention is showing us here. And then you can observe this by turning the CC or cross the captions on, and you will see now the AI is interpreting what you are saying. And in this case, let me try to play. This was the ad, and I used the ad broker in order to block ads from my account in order to avoid to get penalized. And when it's opening, you can click on cross the captions, and if you see the cross the captions are matching your videos exactly, you know that the AI will detect what you were trying to say, and it will detect the other things I'm going to emphasize, which is now the keyword. When you take a look on this video, you can see now the AI is detecting what I was saying here. Okay, you can see now this can still work. Okay, back to the content, and the other tips I can show you is now the keywords. There's some keyword pay accordingly. There is a keyword planner here on Google. You can Google it and you can see now the keyword you can use in your videos. And as you are using the keywords now, the Google will now, or the YouTube AI will detect the keywords used in your videos, and the keywords are ranked accordingly. When you use the keywords multiple times, and then Google will detect, oh, this person is trying to say these things, and then they will rank your videos according to the keyword used in the video. And this is somehow amazing, and you should now open to browsing how the keyword planner works on Google, and you can go and choose some keyword to use on your videos. Okay, moving forward, other thing is now using the proper thumbnails. Okay, you have now to make some thumbnails like I can visit like for Davey 504. You can see the thumbnail he is using. You have to make some thumbnails that can make people, oh, they click, oh, what is this, what's inside, and then they are now somehow eye-catching, and then they are curious to click on your thumbnail to see what's going on in your video. And you have to make sure that your 30 seconds of the video will demonstrate the things you are going to do in a summary or in a quick brief, so that people will not getting bored when they start watching a video. There are other like Mr. Beast, the big YouTuber here, and the CBR. You can go and see how they make the thumbnail, and you can copy their ideas too. It will work. And then you have to base on people who are successful in order to be successful too. Okay, other tips here now is using the proper descriptions and tags. Okay, for example, can I go ahead on the videos like this one? Let me go to this one. You have to make some descriptions that match your contents, so as your video to be recommended. When I go to details, I can see that my description and the details of the videos are somehow related, and the tags, I try to use proper tags that rank the most, but the tags cannot do anything like they are in the additional tags, additional tab when you are editing your videos. So don't overstress yourself on finding the good tags, but they still affect your videos too. And you can now also use the proper description. Okay, and guys, I hope now you have seen what you can make to bring your videos and a lot of cash, even if you have a growing channel. And I hope we find some interest in this one, and you will apply the same strategy in order to get a lot of views and this 2021, because as you can see, I think I don't even earn like more than 400 in average views, and I can still have to earn a lot of cash on my videos as I applied the strategy on how to increase the CPM rate on my videos. Okay guys, I hope you found this video interesting. If you have any question, let me know in the comment, and don't hesitate to ask me anything. If you have this video somehow not clear, you can ask me in the comments. If you liked it, you can show it by clicking the like button. If now you coming onto this channel for the first time and you want to help me stay growing, you can press the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.